23rd of October, and you know, yesterday, which I still have to like do the finishing touches on the computer. I know I said that I wasn't gonna vlog for today. Today's Monday, but I decided to do vlogging anyway. You know, YouTube has become an outlet for me. I don't know how to say it, but YouTube has become like a creative outlet for me, I guess, because you know, with everybody, with a lot of us have hectic lives. Number of us may not, but a lot of us do, especially when you have kids and homeschooling or regular schooling or activities that the kids do or whatnot. You know, it can be hectic, and I use the term plate, like you have a lot of things on your plate. And right now it feels like that because I guess with renovations and whatnot, so it feels like there's a lot on my plate. So, but sometimes I like having it busy, sometimes I like the slow days. So right now YouTube has become like a outlet for enjoyment and creativity. So I decided to just vlog, and we're expecting major rain today, thunderstorms and everything. So I'm on my way to the post office, so I'll check in with you guys in a bit. Going to the post office. Not open it, but I do have the code, so I can get it early. So if you ever want to send us something, this is our PO box number right here. It's always down below. Looks 216. Just click it. This is our current situation. The whole sky is like this. That noise is actually rain. Try not to show you guys where we live, but it's pretty bad. Don't know how long this rain is going to last. How many days, but it's pretty bad today. This is a really gloomy day. Right now, I don't know if I have all these quarters in my hand because I'm actually doing laundry right now. There's like 22 more seconds into the washer's done. So yeah, as you guys saw, it's pretty bad out there, and I'm hoping the electricity doesn't go out, because usually when the weather is bad, it affects electricity. And then when we came home, that's why the light is on. Everything was just like dark in here. So I need to go and take the clothes. I'm really hoping the power doesn't go out because the rain is actually getting harder. Let me see if I can prop this up more. Let's see, how's this? I'm really hoping the power doesn't go because it's actually raining a whole lot harder. I have 2 loads in the dryer that I need to wash, and then they're done. I want that to finish and all our electronics to be charged before the power goes out. And then let's see, there's 1 load that's dry, this in that blue hamper thing over there. This blue hamper with clothes in it. That is, wait. That blue hamper right here where my finger's going over is 1 load that actually got dried and is done. I just need to put it away. Tomorrow's appointment that Logan and I had just got canceled. So it's gonna be a stay home day, especially if it's raining. Our balcony is actually getting wet, like soaking wet. So yeah, that got canceled. We don't have to worry about doing that tomorrow, especially if it rains again tomorrow. At least we can actually stay out of the rain. But our appointment got rescheduled for Wednesday, which means that I have to take Logan out half an hour early from school. Which I just spoke with this teacher and she said it's not a problem. And then hopefully by then it will start like clearing up the rain. I haven't checked the weather report. According to my phone, it's supposed to, let me see if I can show you guys. And it's currently 75 degrees, and as you can see it's raining. I don't know if there's a glare. Let me see if I can. I don't know how to like. It's currently raining, and in the 2 o'clock hour it's 1:46 right now. It's supposed to have thunderstorms, but according to the rest of the week, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's supposed to be like partly cloudy, partly sunny kind of thing, except for next week Monday when it should be sunny. The news said that it's supposed to be like whatchamacallit? Like this is a rain front that's coming through, so that's why we're having so much rain and whatnot. But yeah, it's just too much rain. It's really bad out there now. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but anyway, yeah, like I said, tomorrow's appointment got canceled, so we don't have to worry about going out in the rain. Logan can actually do schoolwork tomorrow, so that way he doesn't have to worry about it. Like, we don't have to like worry. He can just focus on his schoolwork instead of rushing here, rushing there. Like I said, I wasn't gonna vlog today, and I was gonna vlog tomorrow, but I guess it worked out. I felt weird. This is like I don't know. I know I said earlier it felt like a creative outlet for me, but now it's more of like I enjoy it so much that I want to keep going and just keep going with vlogging. And it feels weird now, especially since we're doing it on a daily basis, not to vlog. So the days that, like today was just an ordinary school day, going here, going there, I hope you guys don't mind that it's kind of like a chatty vlog instead of like yesterday when we went to Target and it was like a fun day kind of a thing. I don't know how you guys want to call that, but so anyway, I think I'll end the vlog here for today because there's a million and one thing that I need to do. I need to get the clothes done. I need to, once that other load's done, I need to go and take care of that. And then tomorrow, I think, I don't know what I'll do for the rest of the afternoon after the clothes, but tomorrow while Logan's finishing schoolwork, I think I'm gonna do more packing for the renovations. I'm not sure yet, but since I'm home, and I think I'm gonna I'm gonna drink a cappuccino from my K-cup maker, and maybe make cocoa for Logan, hot chocolate. That's that kind of weather. So thank you for watching. I know it was a pretty random vlog, but thank you for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow for a stay home day. I hear rumbling. I think that's thunder. Oh, please don't let the electricity go out. Oh, I hear thunder.